All right, turning it over to Jordan Segundo, and I know a lot of people are hoping to get outside, but with the way that the air quality is, maybe you shouldn't spend a lot of time outside.
Yeah, that's right. You know, we got the air so bad out there, it is best to stay indoors, but if you got to be outside, try to limit your time, especially with the smoke and haze really not going anywhere. Let's take a live look outside. We're now downtown Sacramento, the Tower Bridge all lit up there, or not lit up, actually. Looking pretty nice there. It was lit up this morning. Still on morning hours right now. Let's show you what's happening at the moment. As far as our temperatures, because the smoke and the haze will impact how warm we'll get this afternoon. We're already in the mid-80s in Sacramento, 82 in Stockton, 84 in Modesto, 83 up in Marysville, and up in South Lake Tahoe clocking in at 72 degrees. As far as our winds and our humidity, we're at 26% humidity, dew point at 46. Here in Sacramento, the wind's trending in from a north-northwesterly direction on the lighter side at 7 miles per hour, and our pressure right now to 9.98. And checking in with our CBS 13 weather watchers, we got 79 out towards, let's see, Manteca, and this is Zach out towards Lathrop, reporting 79 degrees. Sunshine trying to peek through. Heading out towards Vacaville, this is James saying 85 degrees, and he is waiting for some cooler temperatures as we head into next week. That's right, cooler temperatures as soon as Sunday. First off, though, let's show you what happened yesterday. We did tie a record that was set back in 1984 of having 110 days with 90-degree plus weather here in Sacramento. Now, this was yesterday. Now, we didn't hit 90 degrees yet, but we'll likely be breaking that record, and 2020 will likely set that record for having the most days of 90-degree plus weather. And it's been pretty hot, all thanks to this area of high pressure that's been sitting over us for the past couple of days. The good news, we got a system that's going to get closer to California, help to nudge out this area of high pressure, and that will allow temperatures to cool down ever so slightly. And then as we head into next week, we're tracking another system by next weekend that could bring us the chance for some showers, much needed rain in our area. Now, as far as our wind speeds, we're starting off on the lighter side through much of our day today, but as we head into the afternoon, we'll get a nice onshore flow kicking in. Unfortunately, the Sacramento and up towards Yuba City, winds will still be trending in from a north-northwesterly direction. It's going to be out towards Fairfield, Vacaville, and even down towards the northern San Joaquin Valley, where that will get a nice little delta breeze to help shift around some of that smoke and haze. Now, winds tomorrow will be on the lighter side, but we'll once again get that afternoon onshore flow to kick in the afternoon hours to cool things off overnight. Today, as we head into the afternoon, we'll start looking at mid-90s today, so we are not seeing triple digits like what we forecast yesterday. Thanks to the smoke and haze, temperatures won't get quite as warm, so that's one plus we can look at there, with the wind still on the lighter side up to 10 miles per hour here in the valley. Heading up into the foothills, the numbers have been adjusted, so we're expecting low 90s for Auburn, Jackson, Sonora, upper 80s today for Grass Valley and Georgetown, with winds trending in from the east at 5 miles per hour. Up in the high country, still looking at areas with good air quality, especially around Truckee, with the winds though kicking in. We could see more of that smoke and haze make its way up there. We'll see low 80s for Truckee, as well as mid-90s or mid-80s, out towards Chester, 91 for Quincy. Heading out towards the Bay Area, still have that red flag warning in place along with that heat advisory. We're expecting mid-80s for San Francisco, 98 for Fairfield. And as we head into the overnight hours, upper 50s to low 60s tonight in the valley, low 30s up in the high country. So 7-day forecast, here we go. Tomorrow we're looking at low 90s, but by Sunday, check it out, 87 degrees on board. Our overnight lows finally get back into the low 50s. As we start off next week, we'll be in the upper 80s all the way through at least Wednesday. And then that storm approaches, and we'll likely see our temperatures dropping down even more by Thursday, 79 degrees for the daytime highs. Dina?
Oh, wow. Bring it on. All right, Jordan,
there we
thank
go.
you.